Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the pound dollar, I'm still looking at this move down right here as likely a pullback to this move up because it definitely looks like impulsive up, and it definitely looks like a possible 5-3-5 pattern to the downside for like a traditional ABC. So I'm watching my Fibonacci retracement levels very, very closely. If it bounces from one of these levels, breaks structure to the upside, then I definitely would take it as a long. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, just because you're at a fib level doesn't mean that that is the chance to go long. It could possibly, just continue to make lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and continue down. So it depends on what time frame trader you are. You could potentially still be looking for shorts if you're a short time frame trader. But if it does, respect one of these fib levels, if it does go up, engulfing up, break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, then that is definitely the entry that I would be looking for potentially the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.